Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful Jura Impresa C65 espresso machine. Now for this machine, we only replaced the water pump, this one that you see right here. And we also had to replace the membrane, unfortunately. The machine was having no water flow through the spouts, and it was basically this, not able to hold the pressure that the brew unit actually needs to brew coffee. So we are going to test it out. We're on the medium settings. We're gonna do one coffee, and then we're gonna use the hot water. I already went through around maybe like around 40 ounces of coffee. Not this one. Where is my other one? The case is I did a lot of coffee. At least 2 full of these ones completely, and I be just running the whole machine to make sure that there's no error or there's no anything else wrong with this machine. And as you can see, we have good water flow, good foam. It's gonna take a while. The way this machine is programmed is to dispense a lot of water, so it's gonna take a little bit to brew the whole cup. Halfway through, and we haven't seen any issue with the flow or anything like that. There's no error, there's anything, working perfectly fine. Like I say, that's a lot of flow for the way this program is. That's a lot of water for just one coffee. Usually gets for Juras, it gets around here. But as you can see, it was able to brew the whole cup with no problems. Just fill water the tank. I need to put some more water in there. Basically had the whole water tank when I was testing. So basically we went through a whole water tank in just coffees. Now that we just tested the water tank level sensor. Perfect. We can continue testing this side. It's gonna look a little bit messy since we don't have this adapter. As you can see, steady flow, really good temperature, no leaks or anything like that. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Jura Impresa C65 working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.